are you from?
I'm from Persia.
I'm from Arab.
I'm from Eid. I'm from Tom.
Oh Allah, we are grateful that you are calling us to Mecca. So, gentlemen, do you think that we should eat before going to Mecca?
Yes.
So, how much do you have?
I have 200. I have 300.
And I have 300. Let's calculate everything. Everything is 1,000. Let one of us go and buy something for the
Buy your fresh fruit. Buy your fresh fruit. Buy your fresh fruit. I want to buy this. This 1,000 for a box. So let us buy it.
Let us buy Uju. Let us buy Uju. Let us buy Uju. Let us buy Uju.
Who are you all and who are you from?
I am from Arab. I speak Arabian language.
I'm from Persia. I speak Persian language.
I'm from Greek. I speak Greek language.
I'm from Turk. I speak Turk language.
Why are you fighting?
We should buy Uju.
We should buy it.
No, let us buy Uju.
Let us buy it.
Let us buy Uju.
You are all fighting for the same product. Arabia, in your language, this fruit is called Uju. Persia, in your language, this fruit is called Anoop. Greek, in your language, this fruit is called staffy. And Turkish, in your language, this fruit is called inab. The product is one, but the language is different. The message is we all have to follow non-violence. Non-violence is a positive state of mind. Non-violence is not taught by word or teaching.
Whether you say Allah, Jesus, Quran, all are one God. All religions are speaking the same things, and that's why we should love one another. One heart, one thought, one God, one God. There's only one nation, nation of humanity. There's only one religion, religion of love.
There is only one language, language of art. And there is only one God, and it's only present.
We should love all, serve all. Let the different faiths exist. Let them flourish.
Let the glory of God be sung in all the languages of the world and in a variety of things.
Eid is a holy day for Muslims. Diwali is a holy day for Hindus. Christmas is a holy day for Christians.
All religions are leading to the same path. God is one.
God be you. Love all, serve all. Eid Mubarak.